Welcome to a brief introductory slide presentation on accessibility features in databases. The accessibility features found in Gale and EBSCO databases are best utilized to assist in academic reading comprehension, defined here as reconstructing the author's intended message in a way that enables the reader to communicate that message understandably and acceptably in the context of a specific academic community. As well, it concerns subject matter content, defined here as math, science, literature, etc. When considering the use of any database, you should address the universal design for learning principle of providing multiple means of representation. When pulling resources from a database, make sure they have accessibility features available for audio impairments, visual impairments, reading and cognitive abilities and disabilities that represent students at, below, or above grade level. Before assigning research in a database, make sure students are equipped with the knowledge and the skill sets to identify and make use of the database's accessibility features. Finally, if you still feel uncomfortable with the suite of accessibility features and tools explained in the accompanying tutorials, review the tutorials again for any missed information. Contact your school or district librarian for further guidance and information, and consult the product's support page to access webinars and resource pages to further highlight and clarify access feature usage.